the steps of the glycolysis through the various steps. That is, from the starting the glucose, it is a 6 carbon chain, 6 carbon chain. It has been gone through the various type of steps, and the end product, the aerobic condition, got the pyruvate. Okay, that is a 3 carbon. Yeah, next article. The end that will be the 3 carbon. That is the end. Yeah. 3 carbons will be there. Okay, right. The glucose structure. We have been learned that how the glucose structure will going to get under lysis. At the end product, we are going to get the pyruvate. And we already know the concept that glycolysis will going to taking place at the level of cytosol, whereas the TCA cycle or Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle is going to taking place at the level of mitochondria. Cytoplasma will going to get having the cycle of glycolysis, whereas the TCA cycle is going to get occur at the level of mitochondria. Okay? And the end product we are going to get the pyruvate. Okay? In terms of glycolysis. Okay. So today we will be learning about the TCA or citric acid or Krebs cycle. TCA stands for the tricarboxylic acid. Okay? Citrate is a citrate. Krebs has given the name due to the Hans Krebs who has discovered this cycle. So TCA cycle, citric acid cycle, or else a Krebs cycle, 3 names for the one cycle only. Okay? Tricarboxylic cycle. Why it is called a tricarboxylic cycle? Because in the structure, when the formation of the first product is going to get formed, at that structure you will able to see the 3 carboxyl group in that. One given structure, you will going to see the 3 carboxylic group in them. That's the reason it will be called as the tricarboxylic cycle. Okay, tricarboxylic acid cycle. 3 आपको carboxyl groups देखने को मिलेंगे. 3 carboxyl groups. If you are going to see the structure will be like this. Carboxyl. This is the one, this is the second. Okay. When the product is going to get formed, at the initial stage, you will able to see the 3 carboxylic acid which is going to get formed in response to that product. That's the reason we can consider it also as a tricarboxylic acid cycle. Okay. Citrate acid cycle. Citrate is also going to get formed in that product, so in that cycle. That's the reason we also consider the TCA cycle as a citrate acid cycle. Krebs cycle, it has been given the name because Hans Krebs who has discovered the Krebs cycle, that's the reason we consider as a Krebs cycle. Okay, तीनों का मतलब ये. Now the end product for the pyruvate, which was the 3 units after the degradation, 3 units was left over. Now these pyruvate will going to convert into the molecule called acetyl-CoA. It is going to convert into the molecule of acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA. Now, the acetyl-CoA is the two molecular product. Two molecular. Acetyl-CoA moiety is the two molecular. First in product was having the 3 carbon in them. Okay. Later on, while it is telling from the pyruvate turning into the acetyl-CoA, one carbon will going to get reduced. One carbon is going to get lost. So going to out of 3, one carbon is going to get lost. You are going to get the 2 carbon. Okay, 2 carbon. So while the pyruvate is converting into the acetyl-CoA, one carbon, this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon, this is the third carbon, isn't it? In the previous classes I have told you. So while these structure is getting from acetyl-CoA to enter into the mitochondria, pyruvate cannot be directly enter into the mitochondria. Okay? It need to convert first into the acetyl-CoA, then it can be easily jump into the mitochondria. So while they are turning up the structure from the pyruvate to the acetyl-CoA, one carbon is going to get lost. So whenever the carbon is going to get lost, only the carbon is not going to get lost. It take along with that the oxygen. So these one carbon is going to get lost in the form of CO2. Okay? Now we know that the mechanism how the CO2 will going to get out from your body. Okay, bachelor, it was very easy. There was a 3 carbon over here. Not only the 3 carbon, there were oxygen molecules and other molecules are also there. I am not drawing the detailed structure. Okay? So one carbon is getting lost. While it is getting lost, directly the carbon cannot be escape from your body. So it will going to make the attachment with the oxygen, 2 oxygen molecule. So the CO2 will going to get formed and the carbon will going to get lost from your body. So when these carbon molecule will getting detached from the 3 molecules of the pyruvate, they are going to liberate the energy in the form of NADH. Okay, in the form of NADH. 3 molecules of the pyruvate, 1 carbon, 3 molecules of the pyruvate of the carbon. It is not only the carbon, there are other oxygen, hydrogen are also there. In order to understanding the concept, we are telling that 3 molecules were there. Okay, of the glucose. So 1 carbon along with the 2 oxygen are getting lost. While they are getting lost, they have making them CO2, carbon dioxide, and they are getting blow up from your nose. Okay, in form of the exhalation. Now, while they are going to detach, they are going to liberate the energy. So while they are going to liberate the energy, these NADs are readily available inside your body. Whenever these energy is going to get released, the NADH will come and take the H+ion while they are in form of the energy they are going to release. So these NAD going to get formed into the form of NADH. And we already know that the concept that one NADH is responsible for making the 3 ATPs. The one NADH, if you are going to put it into the electron transport chain, it is the thing which is responsible. It is having the capacity, it is having the capability to produce 3 ATPs, one NADH. Okay? Now, when they are going to make the acetyl-CoA, there is a special type of molecule is there. Now, due to the reducing decarboxylation, one carbon molecule has got lost. Now there was a 2 carbon molecule. To this 2 molecule, there are CoA type of enzyme has came and attached to it. So that's the reason it is called as the acetyl-CoA. There was a 2 molecule along with the CoA molecule. Now, this was the step which is happening at the level of the cytosol. Now, these acetyl-CoA, when they are going to get formed, it is readily available to jump into the mitochondria, where the more processing is going to get done and more energies will going to get formed. Okay. Now, once this acetyl-CoA is going to get formed, they will jump into the mitochondria. In the mitochondria, there was a substance called oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate will be there inside the mitochondria. Inside the mitochondria, oxaloacetate will be there. ठीक है? Oxaloacetate is the 4 carbon molecule. It is a 4 carbon molecule. Okay, what to say? You should be saying. Now, when this acetyl-CoA from the glycolysis is going to get happen and pyruvate will be the end product in the aerobic condition, acetyl-CoA is going to get formed. Now, acetyl-CoA once is going to jump into the mitochondria, the oxaloacetate will come over here and they will take these acetyl-CoA molecule and turn into them 6 carbon molecule, a new product which we are going to call it as a citrate. Citrate. Now, this oxaloacetate is going to take the 2 molecule of the acetyl-CoA in order to make the 6 molecule. 4 from here, 2 from here. 6 molecules were there. Now the 6 products will be called as a citrate. The enzyme which is responsible for that is the citrate synthetase. Point 1. ठीक है? Point 2, when the oxaloacetate which was readily available inside the mitochondria, when they are going to take the acetyl-CoA molecule, 2 carbon along with the CoA substance, ठीक है, CoA molecule, the CoA will going to get lost. So what is happening over here? The 4 molecule of the oxaloacetate will going to take the 2 molecule of the acetyl-CoA. Now this CoA, special type of aroma, now this CoA will going to get lost. आप लॉस से नहीं बोल सकते, इट विल गोइंग टू गेट डीएटाइज्ड. आगे फिर उसका रोल है, आगे नहीं चालू करो. ठीक है? जब आप TCA cycle, when we are going to see the TCA cycle, the students used to understand, to think that the cycle will going to starting from here. No, the cycle are getting starting from here. The oxaloacetate from here it is starting. From the oxaloacetate it is going to take the acetyl-CoA 2 molecule, and this CoA is going to kick off and it is going to bring the form of citrate, which is the 6 molecular carbon. Okay, 6 molecular carbon. Now from this citrate, they are going to make structurally they are going to get changed. That means they are going to changing the hydrogen atoms and the oxygen atoms from there, and they are going to make a new product which will be called as a isocitrate. Now this isocitrate is also a 6 carbon molecule. Isocitrate is also a 6 carbon molecule. So whenever iso, it is standing for the, what is it? Iso stand for the same, similar, same. Only the structures you are changing it. ठीक है? That means rest all the carbons, all the oxygen, all the hydrogen will be same. Structurally they are going to get differ. Okay? From the citrate they are going to make the isocitrate. जब कभी भी this thing you should be remembering. Whenever the iso type of thing is going to get happening, that means that you are going to break down the certain things. कोई भी चीज़ को आपको तोड़ना है तो पहले उसको shuffle करते, then you are going to break. ठीक है? So from the citrate you have maken the isocitrate. In the presence of the enzyme called aconitase. The presence of the enzyme called aconitase. मैं पहले आपको सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट देखिए. आज के लेक्चर के 2 view of explanation. First explanation will be the simplest form of explanation that is necessary for all the students to understand the concept. Second type of explanation is only for the special type of students. Okay? Those who really want to know what is actually happening in that. So I have divided in that way. So it's up to you. At least the basics should be grasping by all. The next part I'll tell you when the next part is starting. Okay? So I'll continue the cycle, then we'll be same. Okay? Now you should be seeing on the board. The product which is going to get formed from the citrate is the isocitrate. The enzyme which is responsible for that is aconitase. Now it is a two-way cycle. ठीक है. अच्छा ये arrows का आपको मालूम है ना? If it is a single direction, it is a one way. If it is a thing, it is two way. That means isocitrate, it can be formed into the form of citrate too. Certain reversible, irreversible. ठीक है. Now from the isocitrate, the product is going to get formed is the alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate. दो पार्ट से देखिए. Alpha ketoglutarate. Now alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha keto, KETO glutarate. KETO glutarate. Now alpha ketoglutarate, when the isocitrate is going to get formed, the alpha ketoglutarate, the molecule one molecule again is going to get lost. It is in the form of CO2. The form of CO2. Now this 6 carbon, this was a 6 carbon, this was a 6 carbon. Now it is going to become in the 5 carbon. The enzyme which is responsible for the formation of from the citrate to the alpha ketoglutarate is the isocitrate dehydrogenase. Isocitrate dehydrogenase. Isocitrate dehydrogenase. Now the one carbon it is getting lost. So whenever the carbon is getting lost, certain amount of energy is going to get liberated. So there will be the formation of, yes, you are not connected to me. Now you are understanding what actually is happening. Okay? One carbon molecule is getting lost over there. So in response to that reduction, decarboxylation, more specifically, due to the ठीक है. So from there, the isocitrate with a 6 carbon molecule, one carbon is got lost. So in response to that one carbon loss, the energy was going to get produced. So energy is going to get trapped in the form of energy. Now alpha ketoglutarate. From the alpha ketoglutarate, there will be the formation of molecule called succinyl-CoA. Now the succinyl-CoA, it is the 4 carbon molecule. Succinyl-CoA is the 4 carbon molecule. That means that one more carbon is getting lost and the energy is going to get in the form in the presence of the enzyme called alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Now we are saying that it is a succinyl-CoA. The CoA which has been got kicked out from the first one. Okay, you have seen that acetyl-CoA when it is getting formed the citrate, These two carbon will attach to the oxaloacetate. We should see exactly. Now this acetyl-CoA is going to get it attaching to the oxaloacetate. So in response to that, the CoA which you have been left out, it will come over here and join to this molecule. Succinyl-CoA. Okay? Succinyl-CoA. From the first molecule, acetyl-CoA, CoA was lost. Now the CoA has came over there, and it has, whenever the balancing of the structure is getting lost, for maintaining the balance, we are going to have the CoA. Okay? Alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, the enzyme which is responsible, उसके नाम पे एंजाइम बन रहा है भाई, आइसोसिट्रेट dehydrogenase, अल्फा ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. ठीक है? Now from there they're going to move in the cycle, and the product is going to get formed as the succinate. आप भी एंजाइम याद करने की जल्दी वाली ट्रिक भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है? Succinate. Now succinate is also a 4-carbon molecule. When the succinyl-CoA is getting formed in the form of succinate, the enzyme which is responsible is the succinate thiokinase. From the succinyl-CoA, it is going to form the succinate. The CoA which has got attached, it is getting lost. Read it. Point 1. ठीक है? Point 1. ये अरे आप बोर्ड को देखो. It's not seeing anywhere. You should see. ये हर वो जा रहा आगे है, वो मैं उनको सिंपल में बोल रहा हूँ, कहीं भी जा रहा बोलता हूँ, इसीलिए मैं बोला पार्ट 1 विल बी द सिंपलेस्ट सिलेक्शन एंड पार्ट 2 विल बी द दिस थिंग. तो अभी पार्ट 1 चला. ठीक है? नाउ द succinyl-CoA will going to get formed in the form of succinate. So the CoA is getting lost over here. So while they are making from the succinyl-CoA, they are going to make the succinate in the form of the succinate thiokinase, the enzyme which is responsible. They will release certain amount of energy, but the energy, it is not that much of big that the NADH come and capture. Okay? And it is so little amount of the energy it is there. So in response to that, a new type of product is getting formed over there, that is GDP, guanosine diphosphate. It is getting to form the GDP, guanosine diphosphate. It is going to form the GTP. The guanosine diphosphate will be always there in your circulation. So whenever the so little amount, even the ATP cannot come and take the energy. So they are going to make it a new product, where NADH cannot take the product energy, ATP also cannot come and take the energy. But you can't leave the energy freely. Somewhere or other you need to get trapped, isn't it? So new product has got formed over there, that is called as a guanosine diphosphate. GDP will come and they are going to take the energy from there, and the GDP is going to get formed in the form of GTP. Okay. Now these GTP product, it is having the capacity to turn the ADP into ATP. Directly the ATPs are not getting formed over there. बहुत कम एनर्जी निकल रही है, it's very little amount of the energy is there. So they are making the energy bond more stronger. The GDP will come and they are going to take the GTP. Once this GTP is going to get formed, now it is having the capacity to turn the ADP into the ATP. ठीक है? Now the succinate is going to get formed. From the succinate, one more product is there. That is called as a fumarate. Now fumarate is also a 4 carbon. Now from the succinate, the fumarate is getting formed. While they are getting formed, the shuffling of the molecules was happening, and while the shuffling of the molecules is going to get happen, they are going to release a certain amount of energy more. But this energy, it cannot be trapped with the help of NADH, so they have taken up one more new product called FAD. FAD will come over here and they are going to form the FADH. Now the speciality of the FADH is that NADH molecule, if you are going to put it into the electron transport chain, it is responsible making the 3 ATP, whereas the FADH, when you are going to put it into the electron transport chain, it is responsible for making the 2 ATP. Okay? FADH, it is responsible for making the 2 ATP, whereas NADH is 3. So energy was little bit less. That's the reason it is making the 2 ATPs. Now, it in the presence of enzyme called succinate dehydrogenase. Succinate dehydrogenase. Okay, succinate dehydrogenase. मैं बोला एक पार्ट 1 है, पार्ट 2 बोलता हूँ, ठीक है. Now this succinate dehydrogenase is going to convert the molecule to the. अच्छा, आप एक चीज गौर करिए उसके अंदर. Whenever the word dehydrogenase are coming, then only the energies are getting released. इसमें देखो isocitrate dehydrogenase, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, succinate dehydrogenase. So most of the time, the NADH in the form of the FADH, the energies are getting released in the form of whenever the dehydrogenase are coming. Dehydrogenase are coming. ठीक है? Now the next is the formation of malate. Malate, it is a 4 carbon molecule. Now the enzyme which is responsible for that is fumarate. No, you're not. ठीक है. Malate again, it is a 4 carbon. मैं क्वेश्चन से आपको समझ गया दिमाग के लिए just trust on me, I will letting the आज मैं जो सारी कंप्लीट करने को बोलता हूँ, ठीक है. Now this malate will going to turn the molecule into the oxaloacetate. When the malate is getting turned into the format of oxaloacetate, they are going to liberate the energy, a big amount of the energy, that is in the form of NAD. So it is going to get formed the NADH. In the presence of enzyme malate dehydrogenase. Malate dehydrogenase. Now the TCA cycle, why it is getting called as a cycle? Because at the end of the cycle you are going to get the initial product. Again the oxaloacetate is going to get formed. That means if again acetyl CoA is going to come, again it can go under the cycle and it is going to get formed. Point 1. Point 2. वी शुड बी सीइंग ऑन द बोर्ड. अब यहाँ से थोड़ा मैं ट्विस्ट कर दूँ, ठीक है. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया, वेरी इजी, ठीक है. whenever the high energies was there, we have taken the NAD and invested over there, and in the form of the NADH we got the received energy. When the low energy was there, even the ATP cannot go, we have introduced the GDP. GDP has turned up into the GDP. Whenever compared to the NADH low, compared to the ATP more, we have introduced the FAD, we have got the product of FADH. So compared to the glycolysis, the TCA cycle is producing more energy. Compared to the glycolysis, TCA cycle will producing the more energy. Point 1. Point 2, whenever the dehydrogenase enzymes are getting introduced into the cycle, there will be the formation of more type of energy. Point 2. Okay. Point 3, you should be seeing on the board, we have invested the 2 carbon atom over here. यहाँ पे मैं बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, again and again I am saying to you, if you are going to see the structure, only the carbon is not present. There will be the oxygen, there will be the hydrogen, there will be the other things also. ठीक है. In order to keep the simple lecture, I have been drawn in the form of carbon. But if you are going to see the structure of the citrate, it will be look like this. It is the structure of citrate. I am only drawing the carbon body. अब यहाँ पे कार्बन एक सीक्वेंस में भी नहीं है, साइड बाय साइड में भी देख, ये भी कार्बन है, ये भी कार्बन है. Okay, the structure can be look like that. So citrate structure will be looking like this. We are only focusing about the carbon because major reaction is happening at the level of carbon. So whenever citrate is getting changed into the isocitrate, so that means that they are getting shuffled. ठीक है. Point 2, we have invested the 2 carbons majorly inside the system in the form of the acetyl CoA. And when you are going to see, keenly observing that 2 of the carbon has in the first initial step only they have got blow off. So what is the need of running this whole cycle when you have already blow off the carbons? No, already 2 carbon आप डाला ना भाई, 2 के 2 carbons निकल गए आपके पास, अब एनर्जी कहाँ से लाता आप? Point question तो ये भी आता, you should be remembering that it is not that carbon which we have invested. Oxaloacetate के पास से भी आप carbon लिया. It is not the same carbon. It is not the same carbon which you have invested. What I am saying to you that you have invested the 2 carbon, but the initial step only you have blow off the 2 carbon. Then what is the need of running the whole cycle? Isn't it? यहाँ पे 2 carbon निकल गया, क्यों और cycle लेके जाना होगा उसके को? No. The carbon which is getting blow off over there, it is not the same carbon which you have introduced. It is the carbon of oxaloacetate. ठीक है. Now the cycle will going to get move in this direction. Acetyl CoA will going to get formed and it is going to get converted into the citrate with the help of oxaloacetate. The cycle is not starting from the citrate. It is getting start from the oxaloacetate. Oxaloacetate will come over there and they are going to take the citrate. Okay. Now this citrate, what they are going to do? They are going to change the structure. So they will call it as the isocitrate. In the presence of enzyme aconitase. ठीक है, aconitase. Now these isocitrate is going to get formed in the alpha ketoglutarate. ठीक है, alpha ketoglutarate. While they are going to get formed from the isocitrate to the alpha ketoglutarate, there was a dehydrogenase enzyme was there. So one carbon molecule is getting lost. In order to loss of that carbon molecule, they are going to liberate energy. And energy is getting trapped with the help of NADH. ठीक है. Rest of the cycle will move in that direction. Alpha ketoglutarate is going to make the succinyl CoA, succinate, fumarate, malate, oxaloacetate. ठीक है. Now यहाँ पे अच्छा ठीक है. This was the cycle. Point 1. ये तो एक बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट सब कुछ मालूम. अच्छा, I'll give you the that memory you can make at your own. But ये बच्चों को ज़्यादा याद है. ठीक है. We'll keep coming on that. Then we'll be moving towards the next twisty part. So these cycles can be remembered in the form of 10. That is C starting for the citrate. I, E. ये एग्जाम में लिखना नहीं है. Then I keep selling sex. this one धन्यवाद is for money. Oh my God. Officer. अभी यार पूरे जबरदस्ती आ रही है. Can I keep selling sex for money, officer? ठीक है. So can is representing what is rate? I is representing rate. Isocic rate. And that I is K is representing for keep. S selling it is representing for succinate CoA. Again sex is representing the succinate. Then for it is representing the fumarate. Money it is representing the malate. Officer it is representing the oxaloacetate. ठीक है. Now आपको यहाँ तक समझ में आया? It was very easy. Now you are going to remember all the that enzymatic pattern what is happening over here. But don't write can I keep selling sex for money, officer, in the examination. It is only the memory to remember the TCS. Only the memory. Okay. Now this was a simple lecture. Now you should be understanding that thing that TCS. यहाँ तक clear है? Anybody is having any kind of question? No? It was very easy, isn't it? Now TCA cycle, it is not only responsible for turning up the glucose molecule into the turning up the pyruvate molecule into the energy form, but it is also responsible for turning the amino acids from the degradation of protein into the cycle, and it can also generate the energy. Why? Because amino acids also going to contain the carbon skeleton in them. Yes, amino acids can also form the acetyl CoA. Amino acids can also form the acetyl CoA, and it can into the glycolysis cycle. ये बहुत सुपर आखिरी चिन्ह बच्चों को याद है. आप यहाँ ठीक है. Amino acids, why? Because everything which is going to contain the carbon skeleton in them can turn up into the acetyl CoA molecule, can jump into the citric acid cycle. Okay, citric acid cycle. Point 1. अब आप सिर्फ बोर्ड पे देखना. जो बच्चे नहीं सुनना चाह रहे it's their wish. इसलिए रहमान सो गए. Amino acids. So point 2. Even the fatty acids can turn up into the acetyl CoA molecule and can jump into the citric acid cycle, because fatty acids also going to contain the carbon skeleton in them. Not only the amino acids, fatty acids, but glycolysis is only designed only for the sugar molecule, but TCA is all, it is a traffic channel for all the molecules. The molecules can enter, they are having the carbon atoms in them, they can enter into the citric acid cycle. ठीक है. Even the fatty acids can undergo the citric acid cycle, even the amino acids can undergo the citric acid cycle. ठीक है. Are you with me? समझ में आ रही बात आपको? ठीक है. Now there is a term which have been used in the form of the enzyme is the aconitase. ठीक है. Now these aconitase can be inhibited with the help of one special type of product called fluoroacetate. Or the fluoroacetate can be called as a rat poison. Rat poison, it is a देखिए it will going to inhibit the action of aconitase. Agar in your body fluoroacetate is going to get formed, and if it is inhibiting the activity of the TCA cycle, Will you think that you are going to get the energy? No. If the cycle is getting stopped over here, the cycle will not going to move further, and if it is not going to move further, they are going to get stop over there. You know, no more source of the energy, because TCA is not only responsible to make the energy from the glucose, it is also responsible to make the energy fatty acids, amino acids. ठीक हो गया बात. Now fluoroacetate, the cases we do, if you are going to take the fluoroacetate in the larger quantity, the person can die, because it is going to inhibit the activity of aconitase. इसीलिए सुबह भी मर जाते right poison है, because it will inhibit the activity of the aconitase. If the inhibiting the activity of the aconitase, there will be no chance of the production of energies in the body. Powerhouse is getting shut down. Where you get the energy? Nowhere. It is only for the super type of student. If you don't know, don't want to know, okay, you can write down the cycle. You can find out. Point 1. Point 2 is the amino acids. This is a sequence of amino acids, isn't it? You have learned so struggling all the sequence of the amino acid. 10 amino acids, everything we have learned. Now you should be seeing on the board. Amino acids can directly in the form of the acetyl-CoA, it can be entered into the thing. Point 1. Point 2, it can also be entered through the alpha-ketoglutarate. ऐसे mechanism से भी it can enter. So this glycolysis cycle can be said as a heavy trafficking cycle, where at every step can undertake another molecule. So mostly glutamate. Now this glutamate can be entered into the form of the alpha ketoglutarate, and the cycle can be get occur. समझ में ये बात है आपको? Glutamate, it is amino acid, it can enter into the glutamic acid. It can be entered into the alpha ketoglutarate. The glutamate can be turned into the alpha ketoglutarate and can enter into the glycolysis cycle, TCA cycle. Point 1. Point 2, even at the level of fumarate, the amino acids can be going together. Jump. Even at the level of fumarate. ये सिर्फ आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं, बुक में नहीं है, सिर्फ आप समझो चीज़ों को कैसा हो रहा है. अच्छे थोड़ा वो हायर लेवल का है, ठीक है. अमाइनो एसिड्स कहाँ से जा सकते हैं उन लोग? दे कैन इंटर इनटू द glutarate, alpha ketoglutarate. The fumarate, glutamate is one type of amino acid which can enter into the alpha ketoglutarate, and it can also run the cycle. ठीक है. It can also enter at the level of fumarate, the amino acid. Point 1. Point 1. Point 2. अब आप बहुत कुछ देखिए. Once these amino acids has been, अच्छा, whenever the amino acids will going to jumping into the cycle of TCA, first they need to go under the process called deamination. Deamination. Deamination is nothing but removal of ammonia group from there. NH2 deamination. Whenever they want to enter, they want to jump into the cycle of the cycle, because deamination का तो 3 मार्क्स में पूछता हूँ. ठीक है. So deamination is a process through which 2 मिनट ना मालूम चलेगा डायरेक्ट क्या खाना खाने से. Deamination, the removal of the ammonia group from there, and the cycle is going to get continued. ठीक है. लास्ट पॉइंट आई विल से आई विल बी वाइंडिंग अप. मैं एक आखिरी बोलता हूँ उसके बाद. ठीक है. Now, if there was lot of energy is getting produced inside your body, ठीक है, you can't utilize the energy at a time. ठीक है. You need to save the energy for the further uses, isn't it? There was a lot of energies are getting formed inside your body, but you can't utilize all the energy at a time. You need to save the energy somewhere or other way. For that, futuristic can be use it easily. ठीक है. So in the form of the citrate, here citrate is a special type of component. It is responsible. It is responsible for making the fatty acids. Whenever, what I am trying to put it in your mind, whenever the energy levels are so high inside your body and demand is so less, energy is high, demand is less, so your body will do, what they will do, they will make the citrate molecule into the fatty acids and they will store in the form of energy. Okay? So whenever they need the energy, the fatty acid can turn up into acetyl CoA. They can jump. Okay? They can make it. So citrate is responsible for making the fatty acids. So that process will be called as a lipogenesis. Lipogenesis. Citrate. Lipogenesis. Lipogenesis. Okay. Or else lipogenesis. Fatty acid lipids का chain आती है. Molecules of the fatty acids can be joining together to form the form of lipids. So these citrate can be stored in the form of fatty acids whenever we don't prepare. Point 1. Point 2. If your body is moving toward the low glucose value, you should see. If your body, first तो high energy हो गया आपके body. If energies are too high, it is turning into the fatty acids and it is getting stored. Because once the molecule is going to get entered, it cannot easily get escape out. Somewhere other way you need to dump. So we have dumping in the form of the fatty acids. Point 2. If the sugar levels are low, so what if the sugar levels are low, then you should be stopping this cycle, isn't it? You need to make the glucose molecules. Sugar अगर आपकी body में कम हो गया, तो what you need to do? You need to make the glucose molecules. So these oxaloacetate, step by step they will following the procedure, and they will take certain amino acids, fatty acids with them, and they can have the capacity to make the glucose molecule. Now these type of process will be called as a gluconeogenesis. That means that formation of the new glucose from different sources. Formation of gluconeogenesis. Whenever your body sugar levels are getting down, if your body sugars are getting down, even though you are continuing the TCA cycle, no, we don't want that. If TCA cycle will going to run, more sugar value will go down. We don't want that. In those cases where your body needs a glucose level to get rise up, so these oxaloacetate, in spite of moving towards in direction, they will take other amino acid. Oxaloacetate is a 4-carbon atom, isn't it? So they need 2 more. They can take from another amino acids and they will make a 6-carbon molecule in the form of the glucose. Now the term they have given for that is the gluconeogenesis, the formation of the glucose molecule, a new glucose molecule from different sources. It is not getting from the sugar. It is from the different sources you are making the glucose molecule. That term will be called as a gluconeogenesis. Formation of new. Okay? Glucogenesis, it is different. देखिए आप, glucogenesis it is different. Gluconeogenesis it is different. Gluconeogenesis, you are forming a new glucose molecule from the different sources. Hope you have understood this lecture. You need to go through this. Tomorrow we'll be having some another class. Okay? You can go for the lunch. पूछिए किसी को डाउट पूछना है तो